Smoke detectors are one of those things you hope you never need, but when you do, they can literally save your life. If you're looking for a smoke alarm that's low maintenance and easy to install, this might be worth considering. One of my favorite features is the 10-year sealed battery. That means you don't have to replace the battery every year or worry about those annoying low battery trips in the middle of the night. Another nice feature is the end of life or EOL alert. After about 10 years, the detector lets you know it's time to replace the entire unit. That way you don't have to guess whether it's still working properly. This smoke detector uses photoelectric sensor technology, which is designed to respond quickly to slow smoldering fires, the type that can produce a lot of smoke before visible flames appear. It's also ATL listed and certified to UL 217 10th edition standards, so it meets current residential safety requirements. Installation is straightforward and it's designed for common areas around your home like bedrooms, living rooms, hallways, and even basements. Because the battery is sealed inside, there's no battery compartment to open or batteries to replace over the years. You just click and snap and it activates. I think this is a great option if you're moving into a new home, replacing older smoke detectors, or simply want something that's easier to maintain. It's also a thoughtful housewarming gift because home safety is something everyone needs but doesn't always think about. If you have elderly family members or busy households, having a detector with a long-lasting sealed battery means one less maintenance task to remember. Overall, I like that the smoke detector focuses on simplicity, reliability, and peace of mind. The 10-year sealed battery photoelectric detection, end-of-life alert, and modern safety certification make it a practical upgrade for almost any home. Hopefully, it's something you'll never actually have to rely on, but knowing it's there can make a big difference. If you'd like to check it out, I've linked it in the description below. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more honest product reviews, and I'll see you in the next one.